students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my new class. I hope all are safe in your home. All are enjoying the vacations. In the last classes, we had discussed so many topics in the JavaScript. JavaScript variables, comments, JavaScript operators, arrays, how can you declare and create a function in JavaScript, etc. I hope all are well familiar with these and all of us finish their pending assignments. Okay. Today we have discussed about JavaScript objects. As you know that JavaScript is a object-based language, not a object-oriented language. But Java is an object-oriented language, purely object-oriented language. What is the difference between these two, object-based language and object-oriented language? In simple way, an object-oriented language supports all the features of object-oriented programming concepts, including inheritance and polymorphism. I hope all of have good idea about OOP concept. You are well studied in your Java class. Am I right? Yes. Java is an object-oriented language. So, you studied the concept first before going to start Java. Let's come back our topic. Object-based language. In the case of an object-based language, they do not support inheritance and polymorphism or both. But both of the concepts have to support object and encapsulation. Object-oriented programming languages and object-based programming languages support objects and encapsulation. Here, JavaScript is an object-based language. Anyone know what are the other languages supports object-based? Can you identify the other language support object-based programming language? Find out it and tell in our live session. Okay. Come back to our topic. JavaScript is an object-based language, which means you can create and use classes and objects. JavaScript support mainly three types of objects: built-in object, HTML objects, browser object. Built-in objects are discussed today, and we will learn other two types of objects, browser object and HTML object, more detail in our later class. Mainly HTML objects are used to access and manipulate HTML tags in JavaScript. We go on built-in objects. JavaScript have number of built-in objects that extend the flexibility of language. The objects are array object, string object, date object, math object, boolean object, regular expression object, etc. Here I noted only main important built-in objects. Several of these objects are borrowed from Java language specification, but the implementations are different in JavaScript. I mentioned earlier, JavaScript is an object-based language. An object is a collection of properties and functions or methods. The object can be created by using the keyword new, and the object instantiation is also done by using the keyword new. Here I noted an example, var myString. MyString is a variable which is an object of type string class. Built-in string object variable is myString. We can assign any of the string value to the variable myString. MyString equal to, this is a string. On the different methods available for the built-in class math, string and date objects. Math object method allow you to perform any common mathematical calculation and math object. Thank you students for watching this video.